Hey, it's John Marc, and thanks for checking out this latest drawing videos on how to draw cartoons. Today's lesson, I'm going to be sharing with you how to draw this cute little, that's right, sailboat. How many of you have ever been in a sailboat? I've been in them. They're really fun. Anyways, so if you have your pencil and you have some paper, I think we're ready to begin. Here's step one. And here's step two. And here's the final third step. Now that was a fun lesson, and I hope you enjoyed it. Now, something to think about is maybe something that you would like to take an adventure on or to travel on. Maybe is it a fire truck or another type of a sailboat or an airplane or a rocket ship? Many different things that you can choose from. Be creative in that and choose something that you may not have been in and research it. That's what we have to do as an artist. Research it to draw it. I need reference. So check out some books and find out some more details about your incredible adventure. All right, so if you've been watching this video, as I'm thankful for, I want to say thanks a lot and have a great day. Don't forget to visit our website. That's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, maybe you should take a look at our bookstore and download or purchase How to Draw 50 Different Fish.